Terra Luna price prediction for today, the 1st of February, especially in anticipation of the FOMC meeting. I already covered everything in my stance on it. It says 1 or 2 hours ago. Yeah, it was uploaded around an hour ago. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, we'll be talking about specifically Terra Luna and a few things that have just come out recently that are very, very interesting around the project. Just slap the like button and start. Let's start. Also, I bring you up to date with the news 2 times a day. That's pretty much it. Why wouldn't you subscribe? So we are following the exact accumulation and distribution with even higher momentum than I anticipated. So on the daily chart, we pretty much painted it out last month when I made a video, or 2 months ago in December when I made a few videos on Terra Luna because there was a lot of interest in it. And if there's still interest, I can make daily videos. If you want, let me know in the comment section down below. We could see the accumulation zone right here in the 12,000 to 13,000 area, which is a textbook accumulation zone. The first target was hit pretty much quickly. The second target was crushed very, very easily. And after that, we pretty much went into an uptrend. You can see the 10 and 20 EMA signaled an uptrend. We had the green dot. We had the diamond right here, showing us very, very strong momentum to the upside. You can also see a few breakout patterns appearing, just like this one right here. And this Kulamagi pattern, I really like to trade this. You can see another one here. Some people would say they wouldn't trade that. I would. Basically, the way you trade them is you put your stop loss at the daily low. So if you are to buy in any of these zones, your stop right here will be here, and you will target. I will probably target here and get stopped out here, but I will have my stop here, target here because of the volume. On the breakout here, it was obviously going to be a profitable trade because first it opened, pumped, and then it dumped. So overall, there are some really good trades that you could have taken on Terra Luna, and potentially the next one you might be interested in taking might be somewhere around this. Pretty much this video is no financial advice, right? Actually, it's no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. But the way I would play this, I'll have my trend line here. You can draw it as well, add the alert on trend line and alert yourself whenever we pump above here. You want the 10 and 20 EMA. I made it a yellow and a purple line to curve up on the daily chart, and you can take a trade on the daily chart. Based on the 1 hour time frame, you wouldn't really be longing here. You would want to wait for a consolidation above the 200 EMA. I have a different strategy on the 1 hour chart that works on the 1 hour chart, and another strategy that works on the daily but does not work on the 1 hour. So daily chart I would trade differently, and this would be my zone because I think a lot of people place their stop losses, take profits with limit orders around here because of the fair value gap. We'll see how all of this will play out, but last time it played really, really well. As you can see here, the highs, people that bought in here took profit at with limit orders, as you can see, and everyone that got alerted on the pump managed to sell. So this is one of the more important things going on right now. In the other news, I told you about Dogecoin, Sandbank, right? But right now, Binance released a white paper for Web3 storage system. Ripple NFTs, Bitcoin, Ethereum bulls are coming after FOMC. I'm actually a bull as well. Series eligible users are now allowed to withdraw funds, which is big news. I can probably make a whole separate video on that. But a few other things that I want to point out. 5K in bonuses from BITGET. Just use the link in the description down below. Pick your nuts off the ground is my slogan. You can join the BITGET Telegram. This is one of the platforms I use personally. I personally use it for my longer term futures trades. For scalps, I use Binance, but it requires no KYC. It's very, very good for professional traders. Obviously, it carries a lot of high risk, but I have some news for you from the Terra Luna subreddit. So the first thing that's very, very important is Binance removes warning labels on Terra Luna Classic and USDC, which is very this will be a momentum push for the UST and Luna Classic price. And basically what it will do is new users that are finding the token and seeing it on trending, seeing it getting price adjustments within a day, ranking up the leaderboards on Binance. When they click on the Terra Classic or anything else, they get scared, right? Which is bad, obviously, for new money and for any investor. It has a higher barrier of entry for each trade. So removing that, very, very good. Something else that I want to point out is the loss are rising. Does the quant still run the company or someone else is in charge now? That's a very good question. Let's see the comments. Give it a second. Here it is. Mods, dev team, the company. Human perception of digital currencies is beautiful. Sure, but there are people poking at the codes. We need some placeholder name. Like, what a question. God love it. Call direct hotline. Noncasting is running by the community. The Quant don't have power there anymore. So yeah, there's no company at all. Like, oh, here it is. Is a company located in Singapore. It's as much of a company as Binance is, by the way. You can't really sue them normally. So it depends what assets it actually has. So yeah, top 5 ranked by size, Terra Luna. There's a lot of people, but not a lot of active people. So this is something that we'll see develop soon. The white paper for the Web3 storage system is an interesting innovation. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance BNB chain has released the white paper for BNB Greenfield. So more utility coming for the token. And the BNB Greenfield mission is to unleash the potential of decentralized blockchain and storage technologies on the economic and ownership of data, which is what blockchain stands for pretty much. Additionally, it makes an effort to do this by making it easier to maintain and control data access. It connects data ownership to the Binance Smart Chain, large DeFi context. Users who have BNB tokens and a BNB chain address may store data on BNB Greenfield. So yeah, that's very, very good. And yeah, more utility to BNB, because right now you obviously have it for fees and you need it for fees on the Binance Smart Chain. Plus you need to have lower fees for VIP 1, 2 and whatever on Binance. It's a significant amount of BNB that you need, which makes the amount of people interested in holding BNB a lot less. Plus you need a lot to fill in a lot more gaps than just have the BNB. Plus the risk of just holding BNB relative to the discounts on the VIP levels you'll be getting. I don't know if the utility was enough on the exchange side. Obviously on the fee side with MetaMask and so on, you need, and Poolcoin and whatever, the Binance Smart Chain blockchain taxes, you obviously need that, and at some there's some interest with the around the fee structure. So we'll see what will happen with BNB. I'm very interested to know what you think. Any tokens you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to do 1 to 2 videos a day. So maybe even more if there's enough interest. Just slap the like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. The comments that get a lot of likes on a particular token will get featured in the next video. See you guys. Love you guys. Bye.